Hey guys, it's ASHLYN. I hope you enjoyed making our wedding bouquet with us earlier this week. If you missed it, make sure to go back and watch. And today I'm going to be doing a coordinating wedding centerpiece. So I am using just a standard, this is actually faux silver, really inexpensive to buy, footed bowl. It is probably approximately 7 inches in diameter, maybe only 6. So it's kind of small, but you're going to see how we build something out that is very lush and beautiful, and how you can save money on your actual vessels. So let's jump into it. First, I'm going to share with you the ingredients that we're using from Petal Driven. Petal Driven is an online wholesaler that anybody can shop at, and all these flowers came from them. I am absolutely obsessed with this company, and I wish I would have known about it before. But you do not need your wholesale license to shop, and you get wholesale prices. So if you are doing flowers for an event or a wedding, Petal Driven is an amazing resource for you. And I'm going to link below all of the actual ingredients that I am using with them today for our wedding, summer-inspired bouquet and centerpiece.
About me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. Colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world. Colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world.
well, that wraps up our summer wedding centerpiece and bouquet series. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I just love the romantic, kind of wild feel of it. I love these colors. Again, I like how I used mostly neutrals, but with the subtle pops of pink and this bright pink, I love that you can throw in tiny little touches. I used, let's see, 1, 2, 3 of the Bubblegum Roses. I hope that you guys enjoyed making this with me today. Again, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more flower videos and inspiration, and I will see you next week. Bye, guys.